Hey guys, I'm Rita, and in this episode I will show you how you can actually mark supplier invoices or bills as paid on ClearBooks. To mark supplier invoices or bills as paid, we need to go to Purchases section and click on Bills. From here, to see which invoices are actually being not paid yet, click on Unpaid section. And we can see that there's quite a long list what we haven't paid yet. So I haven't paid my suppliers. To mark, for example, this invoice as paid, if I have paid, click on Manage and attach payment. Or if I actually click on this particular supplier invoice, I can allocate payment, or if I go to bottom, I can record payment for this particular invoice. So I can select the bank account. I have selected current account, payment date is today, amount 215, select payment method, it was bank transfer, and description is showing as payment, and click record payment. Now when I scroll to bottom, I can see that this payment has been allocated to this particular supplier invoice. So if I go to bills and click on paid, I can see that Evans invoice has been paid and it is there. So in this episode, I showed you how you can mark supplier invoices as paid on ClearBooks. If you have any questions or require any further advice, feel free to reach out to me. Also, I have shared the links in the description section below to my ClearBooks tutorial and review episodes. If you have not seen it yet, check it out.